You either take it or take it. Please don't leave it. Check this out. Check this out. It's that time, the weekend. The time where people who have been straight all week take a bend. The time where people who have been individuals all week follow the trends. The time where people who have been alone all week spend time with their friends. The weekend. The end of the week. The time where some strong people suddenly become weak. Lots of noises, voices, options, and choices. Do I stay or do I go? Do I get with that girl that I don't even know? They say go for it. It's the weekend, bro. You've been aiming high all week. This is the time to aim low. You've worked hard. Let her do the job now. Let her blow. Jesus is Lord. It's either yes or no. This opportunity is about to go. It's tempting. The body wants to go, but the spirit says stay, EK. I remember that I'm a Christian all week, night and day. From Monday all the way to Sunday, I will stay and play with my family. Bye bye.